guys? It's your boy D Chevy Boy, and I'm back with another video. Man, my Denali was drinking so much gas, so I had to figure something out right. So I ended up OBD scanning it and figured out I needed one of these. But this is called a EGR valve. So if Vortec or LS motor, basically same difference, but basically what it is messing with your O2 sensors to where like it's messing with your air to fuel ratio on your map sensors. So basically your car basically just not reading it right at all. So man, this thing was swallowing 20s, man. Them things was just gone. So I'm about to show you how to replace an EGR valve. Let me show you where it is. So I done already took off all my covers or whatnot. So I was letting my motor cool down. So I took my oil cap off, the whole thing basically, and I undid my dipstick. But yeah, my EGR valve location is right here. So let me show you. New part basically. New part. It'll go in like that. It got a gasket at the bottom of this, and basically what it is, this is the valve that opens and closes, and I'm pretty sure that one is just stuck either open or closed, and it's not letting no air and fuel get to, allowing the motor know basically it needs air or if it's starving for fuel. So basically I'm gonna start by disconnecting my battery, because safety first, you know. So take the battery off basically. Shout out to this saw post battery, because yeah, it should, that looked a little corroded. Moral of the story, battery should be disconnected because there ain't no negative side. So step one's done. I'm pretty sure them are 10, so you will come over here, find your handy dandy 10. Look at there. So you get that, and basically you loosen both sides up. So I'm gonna take this, place it in my 10. Yeah, it was them was kind of on there. I hope I'm doing a good angle of showing you guys which one is which on this camera. So basically it's two bolts that you want to unloosen. Look at there. I just wanted to loosen these bolts and show you guys which ones to loosen. But I'm not gonna take them all the way out just yet. Just their fingers to where I can. But I want to take off that sensor right there. There's a back of this clip. Just pull off, pull the tab down. Make sure you guys pull the tab down and pop off, pop off. Now I can finish taking off the rest of these little two balls. on. Oh, I'm gonna turn this a little bit, and it's easier to get to it. See, look at that gasket. That gasket. It was time. It was time. The second one. Look at there, guys. Out with the old. And in with the new. But before you want to install this, first you want to make sure, okay, yeah. They're similar, but not only that, it's a gasket right here. And you want to get that gasket off. Matter of fact, that gasket was off. The gasket's on the bottom of this. What you want to do, this new one came with a new gasket, which is perfect. See if I can put you guys up right here. If I have two hands, it'd be easy. Look how perfect that setup is. So, look, guys, you got the new gasket, of course. Goes on like that. You want to put the two little screws on there because you do not want to pinch that gasket because it will create some type of air leak, vacuum leak. You don't really want that in a combustion engine, so you put that thing back on like so. And basically how I knew that it was kind of this problem, man, like it sometimes needed a rough it would have a rough idle, and I legit just checked. I was about to do a tune-up. You know, I do tune-ups on all my cars, so, but whoever had this, I already had a tune-up done on it already, so it was really no point in me doing one. I just changed the oil because not even the oil looked bad, just the oil looked like, I just like doing oil changes, guys, so I know that it's new oil in there. Ain't no telling how long. Let me, okay. Get these bolts back tightened back down, guys. Oh, jeez. Get this one on. But yeah, man, I got this hat on because it's about 98 today, guys. Jeez. And I'm snugging these guys, just so you are aware. Snugging these. Okay, she is tight. Plug in our little sensor. Put our oil cap back on. Put a dipstick back in. Make sure everything's all tight. I changed that, guys, in less than 5 minutes. What you want to do now, you want to hook the battery back up. It's the old one. Yeah, guys, I heard that was kind of a common problem on these. So if you feel like your Tahoe HD 2500, these Denali's come with it. Basically anything Vortec. So if you got a 6.0 or anything, because this is a 6.0, I guarantee you that was the problem. Get that nice and down. Put this old one back in this box. Shout out to DeWalt once again. Because you know DeWalt and Milwaukee is my favorite. Let's check this out, gang. Oh, jeez. She started right on up, guys. Get this AC bumping. This thing be rolling. But anyways, guys, jeez. You can see she started. I have my AC running, so if you hear my fans or whatnot, it's my AC compressor. But that's where the new one went. Took me less than 5 minutes. I'm about to hop in here where it's nice and cool. And I think I'm about to roll me one. But anyways, guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, if it was helpful, please drop a comment and, man, like the video, man. Tell somebody, you know what I'm saying, show support. But anyways, it's your boy D Chevy Boys. Check it out with another one, man. Till next time, guys. Gang.